It's Monday, October 21st, 2019. Just getting in here, and I've already gotten the first two lines right here, and then the second two lines. Since I'm just getting in, I haven't taken a trade yet. This is the YM, and I could trade the ES too if I wanted to. Take a look at the chart on the YM here, and then I'll switch over to the ES. Now take a look at the chart on the ES. It's basically the same thing. We could do the lines real quick. It's basically the same exact thing. Okay, and then okay, I think it's already broken though. 99. No, it double topped. Alright, switch back over to the YM. Okay, the YM hasn't broken yet. And okay, let me just go back to the ES real quick because we have some time. Okay, the ES has broken. It's a long signal on the ES here. So the ES has already produced a lot. I could take a trade right here if I wanted to. But I was going to trade the YM today, so I mean it doesn't matter really. It really doesn't. It doesn't make any real difference, but I like to trade the YM maybe because it's a little bit smoother and I'm a little bit more used to trading it. But it really doesn't matter, to be honest. So we've already got a long signal on the ES here, as you can see from the lines. Let's switch back over to the YM again. Okay, so we still haven't gotten a long signal yet on the YM. Okay, now on the YM, we will take it if it hits 757. Right now it's 747. Order ready to go, 20 contracts at market. Everything looks right. And on my other monitor here, I'll take a look at CL, at oil, not bad, and look at HSI. I haven't gotten a chance to look at anything yet today. Let's see, we'll take a look at the October. Let me take a look here. HSI looking pretty good. Yeah, it looks good to me. HSI moves. That's one thing I really like about it. It really moves good. And then we can look at the DAX. We'll do December. DAX okay. It's not bad. Not moving all that much though. Okay, so I'm still waiting on YM. Let's go take a look at ES and see what it's doing. Let's see, is that a fake? It could be. That could be a fake. What I would do is I would adjust the lines on that. Anyway, let's go back to the YM again. Okay, so I'm still just waiting for it to make a break of either the top line here. I get my mouse on it. Why is my mouse not wanting to go on it? I can't get it for some reason. There we go. And the bottom line here. As you can see, last Friday the YM was great. Fantastic. I traded the ES last Friday instead, but I did well on it too, but they're both the same. Let's take a look at the ES just in comparison for yesterday. I mean, on Friday. Okay, it's a little bit different. It came down, and then it went all the way back up on the ES. And, yeah, it was a little bit different. And then the YM came all the way down. Anyway, I'm just sitting here waiting for it to make a break of either the top or the bottom line, and then I'll take an entry. I'll come back. Okay, we have a new set of lines here. This one, the top one, and this one, the bottom one. Whichever way it breaks first now, we'll go in that direction. It's coming down here. If it were to hit 708, we would take it short. 708. I'll come back. Okay, almost there. 708, we go short. You can see these first two lines, they went short, still going down here. These second two lines have not broken one way or another yet. And these third two lines are getting ready to break here. Okay, now bouncing back up a bit. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, it's almost broken the top at 743. We'll take it long. 743. Getting close. 38, 39. Shot up to 40. Okay, it's getting close. I'll come back. Okay, here we go. 42. There it is. Okay, I got 20 contracts on the YM long here. I'll come right back. ES also going up too. Okay, in the interest of time, I'll come back. Okay, it's starting to move up here. I'm up 700, 800, and just going to hang on to it for a little bit. Okay, currently up 2,000 here. Still going to hang on to it for a bit. I'll come back. It's coming back down on me here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until I get another two lines, and then we'll go by those two lines. If it goes short, I'll turn around and go short with it. If it goes long, then I'll take it and I'll just hold it for longer. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, we have our two lines, and so okay, 733, and I take it short. Almost hit 733. It went to 734. One more tick down and I would have taken it short. Okay, it looks like it's going to bounce here a little bit. I'll come back. Okay, we have our new two lines. Top line here, bottom line here. And whichever way it breaks first now, be the direction we will go. If it breaks the top, I'll go ahead and hold it because I'm already long. If it breaks the bottom, I will go short. Come back. Okay, here are our two new lines. This top one here and this bottom one here. And now we're going to see which way it's going to break first. If it breaks the top one first, I'm going to hold it because I'm already long. If it breaks the bottom one first, then I'm going to reverse the position and go short. I'll come back. Okay, it has broken the top, so it has gone higher than this line here, so it is a long signal here. So since I am already long, I'm just going to hold it long. I'll come back. Okay, it's moving up pretty good here. Currently up 3,500 right now. And just going to hang on to it for a little bit here. Hopefully it won't do to me what it did last time and come all the way back down. But it might. It might. But if it doesn't and it continues to go up, I'll score a nice big size trade. And if you want to hit big trades like that, you certainly need to go for them. If you don't go for them, then how could you hit them? In other words, if you get out early, you can't hit it. And so I'm going to go for it here. Might pay the price. But what's going to happen is I'm going to get another 2 lines. And if the line says to go long, then I'm going to hold it. If it says to go short, then I'm going to go short with it. Simple as that. I'll come back. Okay, we have our 2 new lines. Here's the top one right there. And there is the bottom one right there. So if it were to break the top one first, I'm going to hold it long because I'm already long. If it, however, were to break the bottom one first, I will reverse the position and I'll go short. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, it just double topped right there. And let's see if it's going to go break. If it hits 86, it's a long signal. There's 85. And there it goes. So it's a long signal. I'm already long, so I'm just going to hold it. Currently up 4,600. 4,500. 4,400. 4,300. 4,200. Anyway, it's moving around a little bit. And I am just going to hold it here for a little bit. I think it's going to go higher, and I can't say how much higher, but it's a possibility that we could get it up to 825, possibly even 850. But I would say at least 800, if not 825, would be where I'd be looking to get an exit on this thing. Okay, anyway, I'll come back. Currently up 4,000 now, 3,900. It's going down on me, but I'm not going to get rid of it. Just broke, long signal, going to hold it here. Okay, if it hits 68, I'm going to exit the trade for a loss. Actually, well, not for a loss, but it would be a loss on this particular 2 lines. Okay, there it is right there. I'm going to get out of the trade. Okay, I'm out with 2,400. Now, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to, let me just check something. Yeah, okay. Alright, so let me think about that. Okay, so yeah, if we did that, that would be a short signal then. Alright, we need to take this short. I'm going to take it short. Okay, I've got a short position now. Yes, that's correct. That's what I needed to do, is I needed to adjust the 2 lines prior. I didn't notice. And that opened up our range so that when it went below this price, that was a short signal. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, currently up 2,700. And I am going to hold this coming down. I think it's going to come down quite a ways, probably. But we'll see. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to hold it here for a bit, and I'll come back. Okay, we have our 2 new lines. Top line here, and bottom line here. And the bottom line, let's see here, that would be, if it hits 751, it's a short signal. 751, there's 753, 754. So 751 will be a short signal. Since I'm already short, I would just hold it short. Continue to hold it, because that'll be another short signal. Short signal was off of here, off these two, and then off of these two. There it is, there's a short signal. So we have a brand new, fresh, short signal. Two of them in a row now. And looking for it to come on down pretty good here. I'm really not sure exactly how much, but let's say at least to 725, possibly to 700. But we'll see. Anyway, it is kind of a tight day so far. It's not going very much, but it might drop down pretty good here. So we'll see. Going for it. Currently up 4,100. I'll come back. Hey, market is going a bit slow today. Okay, so here we have two new lines. There's the top one, and there's the bottom one. And whichever way it breaks first is the direction I'll go. If it breaks the high first, I'll have to switch positions and reverse and go long. If it breaks the low first, then I will just continue to hold it because I'm already short. Anyway, I will come back. I'm currently up 4,000 on the trade. Or I should say trading so far today, up 4,000. Okay, it has broken the high. So I've gotten out of my short position and I've taken a long position here. So I'm in a new position going the other way. And currently up 2,900 right now. 3,100 now for the day. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, currently up 4,100 here. And just looking to see what it's going to do. Take a look at it real quick. Yeah, I'm just going to see what it's going to do. Need to get two more lines, and then we'll see what it's going to do. It'll either continue to go up, or it'll roll over here and come back down. We'll find out. I'll come back. Okay, currently up 3,300 here. And we have our two new lines. This line here at the bottom and this line here at the top. So again, if it breaks the top line first, I'm just going to hold it because I'm already long right now. And if it comes down and breaks the bottom line first, I will go ahead and reverse the position and go short. So it just depends on what it does now. Anyway, not moving a whole lot today. But hopefully it'll still make a move either up or down and be able to get something on it. I've got 3,800 on it right now. I'll come back. I'm considering just exiting the position here and just calling it a day because it's pretty slow and it's just not really doing very much here. See, 20 contracts at market. I've got 4,100 into it right now. I could just get out here. Yeah, let me do it. Alright, 39.54. I'm going to end the day here. It's just, I mean, I could stick around for a little bit longer, but it's just not going anywhere. It's just basically going sideways. So, call it a day, and I'll be back tomorrow on Tuesday. So anyway, still managed to come out ahead, but pretty slow day today. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. Hope you traders are doing well out there. See you tomorrow.